Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadget Audit. So today on Gadget Audit, we're ditching the serious stuff and diving into 10 insanely cool toys for adults that you can find on Amazon right now. We're talking about high-tech hobbies, nostalgic blasts from the past, and just plain awesome stuff you'll probably want immediately. All the links to check these out for yourself will be, as always, down in the description and the first pinned comment. Let's get into the fun. Starting off our list at number 1 with something that genuinely combines childhood nostalgia with cutting-edge tech, the POWERUP 4.0 Paper Airplane Kit. This is exactly what it sounds like, but so much smarter. You fold a paper airplane, any design you want, and then you attach this lightweight, Bluetooth-powered carbon fiber module to it. Suddenly, you're holding a smartphone-controlled drone. Through the app, you become the pilot, steering your creation with your thumb on a virtual joystick. The onboard computer is what makes it incredible. It has autopilot and wind stabilization, so it handles the air smoothly. But you can also flip it into an acrobatic mode to perform loops, barrel rolls, and other stunts. It's surprisingly powerful, with a range up to 230 feet and speeds around 20 miles per hour. With a quick 30-minute charge giving you about 10 minutes of flight time, it's perfect for some spontaneous outdoor fun. It's a tinkerer's dream, a fantastic STEM learning tool, and honestly, just pure, unadulterated joy. If you've ever made a paper airplane and wished you could guide it, this kit makes that dream a reality. Alright, moving from the skies to the dirt with number 2, the Nikuku Remote Control Monster Truck. This isn't a toy, it's a properly rugged, high-performance machine built for pure, unbridled off-road chaos. First off, it looks the part, especially at night. It's decked out with full LED headlights, taillights, and a customizable underglow that can strobe or cycle colors. It's a rolling light show. But the real appeal is its brutal durability and power. It features a reinforced aluminum alloy chassis and a 4WD system that can absolutely punish terrain. We're talking grass, gravel, sand, mud. It plows through it all with a top speed of around 38 kilometers per hour, which feels incredibly fast for an RC truck. It comes with 2 battery packs for up to 70 minutes of runtime, and the 2.4 GHz remote gives you precise, proportional control up to 280 feet away. Whether you're a seasoned RC hobbyist or just someone who wants to unleash some controlled destruction in the backyard, this truck is built to take a beating and deliver massive grins. At number 3, we have something truly special, the Loona Smart AI-powered robot pet dog. This isn't a remote control toy, it's an autonomous, intelligent companion that blurs the line between robot and pet. Loona is packed with personality. Using a combination of cameras and sensors, it recognizes faces, follows you around, and understands gestures. You can actually talk to it. It uses Amazon Lex and ChatGPT for natural voice conversations, so you can command it or just chat. It learns its environment, can preset paths to its charging dock, and will even drive itself back to recharge when its battery is low. It's packed with playful behaviors. It'll chase a laser pointer, interact with balls, and play games via its app. But here's a brilliant adult twist. It also functions as a mobile home monitor. You can use its camera to check on your space remotely. Loona is a constantly evolving piece of tech that's equal parts charming companion, interactive toy, and smart home device. It's a fascinating glimpse into the future of playful robotics. Number 4 takes a sharp turn from high-tech to pure, satisfying tactile fun with the Schylling NeeDoh Nice Cube. Sometimes the coolest toys are the simplest. This is a sensory cube made of a special material that changes resistance based on how you handle it. Squeeze it slowly, it feels soft and pliable. Give it a fast, firm squish, and it feels solid and firm in your hand. It's endlessly stretchable and always returns to its perfect cube shape. In a world of screens and notifications, there's something incredibly grounding about a physical, silent stress reliever. The bright, vibrant colors are a nice pop on your desk, and it's the perfect thing to fidget with during a long call, while thinking, or just to keep your hands busy. It's a little pocket-sized dose of chill. Coming in at number 5 is the TIETHKNOT Archery Bow Set. This one is for anyone who's ever wanted to feel a bit of that classic hands-on skill and focus right in their own backyard. This isn't a flimsy toy, it's a scaled-down but serious 3-to-1 replica of a classic composite bow with a metal handle and elastic fiber limbs. It has a satisfying weight and draw, and it's impressively durable for target practice. The set comes with everything you need to start: 10 arrows and a paper target. With a range of up to 50 feet, it's perfect for setting up some safe outdoor fun. It's a fantastic way to decompress, hone a little precision, and engage in some friendly competition. A hugely important reminder: this is for target use only. Always use it with caution and respect. It's a refreshingly analog, active counterpoint to all our digital entertainment, and it delivers a ton of satisfaction for the price. Landing at number 6 is the WINGIFT V8 engine building set. This is for the tinkerer, the gearhead, or anyone who's ever looked at a car engine and wondered about the beautiful mechanical symphony inside. This isn't a static model, it's a fully functional, motorized replica of a V8 engine that you build yourself. With over 100 pieces, you assemble every iconic component: the pistons, crankshaft, valve train, and even a little turbocharger. The clear cylinder head is the star, letting you watch the entire ballet of moving parts in action once it's powered up. It runs on a small electric motor, so you can see the precise timing and coordination of a real internal combustion cycle. The build is satisfying, the educational value is huge for understanding mechanics, and the final product is a stunning display piece. It's a perfect, hands-on project that turns engineering into art. Number 7 is pure, unapologetic party chaos, the Lightning Reaction Reloaded shocking game. This is the ultimate test of nerves and reflexes, designed to create hilarious moments of betrayal and shock. Literally. Here's how it works. Up to 4 players grab a handle from the central unit. You all stare at a light while tense music plays. When it turns green, you have to squeeze your trigger as fast as possible. The slowest person to react gets a harmless, but very surprising electric zap. The genius is the adjustable shock intensity. You can set it to a gentle tingle or a more motivating jolt. It's incredibly simple, instantly understandable, and guarantees huge reactions and laughter at any game night or gathering. Just be ready for the friendly rivalries and alliances it creates. It's a brilliantly dumb, incredibly fun social toy. Swooping in at number 8 is the ZipString Luma. Remember those simple finger string toys? This is that, but reimagined for the 21st century with a brilliant glow-in-the-dark twist. At its core, it's a compact palm-sized unit with a high-speed spinning motor. You attach one of the included glow-in-the-dark strings, press a button, and it propels the string into a stable, luminous orbit around your hand. The magic happens in low light. The inbuilt LED charges the special ultra-glow strings, creating mesmerizing trails of light with every motion. It's USB-C rechargeable, fits in your pocket, and its patented design makes untangling no issue. Beyond just watching the glow, you can learn and invent countless tricks, from simple shapes to complex maneuvers. It's an incredibly satisfying, tactile, and visually stunning fidget toy that turns into a light painting performance art piece. Pure, meditative fun. At number 9, we have the Tpindaloo Original Skill Game. This is a deceptively simple-looking toy that's actually a massive, addictive challenge for your coordination and rhythm. The concept is straightforward. You have a clear tube with a ball inside, and the goal is to keep the ball looping around the tube in a continuous figure-8 pattern with precise wrist motions. But mastering it is tough. In fact, it holds 2 Guinness World Records for consecutive loops, and most loops in 30 seconds. It's a fantastic piece of skill therapy disguised as a game. It requires focus, timing, and uses both sides of your brain, improving hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. It's completely screen-free, portable, and perfect for solo practice or competitive fun with friends. The satisfying click of a sustained loop is incredibly rewarding. It's pure analog skill building that hooks you instantly. And finally, at number 10, we're going outside with the TOSY flying disc. This isn't just any frisbee, it's a dazzling high-tech light show that turns every throw into a spectacle, especially after night. What makes it insane is its integrated LED system. It houses 108 RGB LEDs capable of displaying 16 million colors. You control the modes, solid colors, patterns, strobes, right from the disc itself. The motion sensors even help save battery by turning the lights off when it's not moving. But it's not just a pretty light, it's a serious 175-gram competition-grade disc approved for professional ultimate play. It flies straight and true, is completely waterproof, and its rechargeable battery lasts for a full 90-minute game or up to 1,000 throws. It's the perfect way to level up a backyard toss, a beach day, or a night game with friends. A truly game-changing spin on a classic. And that's our list. 10 insanely cool toys for adults that prove fun doesn't have an age limit. From high-tech robot pets and glowing frisbees to shocking reaction games and satisfying skill challenges, there's something here for every kind of play. If you want to bring any of this fun home with you, all the links are waiting for you down in the description and the first pinned comment. Did we miss your favorite adult toy? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this roundup, be sure to give the video a like and subscribe to Gadget Audit for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.